to join any training institute and don't know how to pick the right one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This is more crucial aspect because probably this might be the last money you will be getting from your parents, and this is more valuable as well because this money would pay you way for making you more money for the entire life. So try to make the right decision at the beginning itself. So in this video, I am going to talk about 5 important things which you must check before joining any training institute. Without any delay, let's jump directly into the video. The first step is knowing your career goal. Your dream might be becoming a software developer, a UX designer, a data scientist, or even a Power BI developer. But first of all, finalize your role. Don't get oscillated in it. After finalizing your goal, try to find those institutes which are specialized in the training which you need. Because the institutes have its own strengths and weaknesses. They may not be good at all courses that they are providing. Some institutes might be popular because of other courses, not because of the course you are looking for. So once your goal is set, try to choose the right institute which specializes in the training which you look for. For example, if your career goal is data scientist, then look for those institutes which are specialized in providing data science training rather than a generic IT training. So a well-aligned institute might prepare you better for your future goal. Second is check the quality of the teaching staff. Teachers can make or break the learning experience. So try to evaluate the quality of the staff before you join your training institute. Because you might join the institute since it is popular, but the particular institute might have several branches and it is not sure every branch has the qualified staffs. So better ask the institute these 3 questions to evaluate the quality of the staff. First is, who is going to take the course? What is their industry experience? And do they have real world expertise on the subject which they are teaching for? Apart from this, an easy way to verify is to check their LinkedIn profile. When you are looking for a trainer, you should look for a real world industry experts, not just academicians. Because practical knowledge is very crucial when you are learning for a job role. And moreover, if possible, take a demo class and get the first-hand training style so that you might know better whether to choose or reject. Remember, a good teacher can teach complex topics into a simplified one. At the same time, the bad one can leave you frustrated and confused. So choose the right one. Third is check the syllabus and course duration. Of course, your syllabus is your roadmap. Make sure the content which is provided in the syllabus align with your goals, and moreover, check whether the syllabus is up to date with the industry trends. And more importantly, check whether the syllabus is providing tools and techniques which are used in the company right now. At last, you can check the particular institute syllabus with the other institute syllabus also so that you get more idea on it. For example, if you want to become a web developer, and so that you need to check whether your syllabus contains modern frameworks like React.js and Next.js. And moreover, check whether it is stuck with outdated tools. And there is one thing popular among institutes, like some institutes say that we can complete this course in 2 weeks. Don't go for that because to master any skill it takes approximately from 3 months to 6 months. These are like real skill development, right? Remember, a good training institute not only teaches you but also prepares you for interview with hands-on projects and assignments. And moreover, be wary of courses that sound too good to be true. Fourth is check the price. Yes, we know quality education is priceless, but we have to consider our budget too. So try to compare your fees with the other training institute fees and make the right decision. And most importantly, don't go for the cheapest one because those institutes might give inexperienced trainers or outdated course material. So don't go for that. Instead, evaluate whether the institute provides value for money. For example, ask them whether your fees include access to tools, certifications, or placement support. Ask them there are any flexible payment options like EMI, installment, etc. And moreover, don't forget to ask them whether they provide any scholarships or discounts. And moreover, if you say I'm not joining, they obviously end up providing some scholarships or discounts. And remember one thing, spending on education is an investment. So if you pay a bit more, you can get a quality education and you can end up avoiding paying later for relearning. But plan it according to your budget also. And moreover, I want to clarify one thing here. 100% placement guarantee is not actually true because they can't place all the individuals who are in the institute. Rather, look for the skills in the institute, try to work on it and make yourself job ready. Try to apply on your own and get the job done. It's not like the individuals are not at all placed by the institute. Only very few individuals are getting placed by the institute. But this as the alumni, this is the real game changer. Because if you ask the people who have done the course there, it would give a real valuable insights. You can reach out to them via LinkedIn, Facebook groups or alumni networks and ask them these questions like whether the course was helpful, whether it helped you in getting a job, how was the learning experience, were there any issues or hidden charges. You can ask these questions and get it clear. Real feedback is quite invaluable, right? And most importantly, make sure that whether they land a job or not. Yeah, this is all about the 5 check factors which you should ensure before joining any training institute. Let's recap it quickly. Choose your role first and find a well-aligned institute. Check the quality and expertise of the teaching staff. Evaluate the syllabus and course duration for relevance. Compare the price and ensure value for money. Seek honest feedback from alumni. If you make these 5 checks, you will avoid costly mistakes and having a better learning experience. So if you found this video helpful, then hit this like button and the subscribe button for supporting me. And if you want to know how to become a HR, then check out this video. Happy learning, happy learning. Bye guys, see you on next video. Signing off, Solakshmi S.